Hey guys, this is Abno here, and in this video let's see how you can install MySQL on your Windows PC. Open Chrome browser and search MySQL and open MySQL website. Go to download section. At the bottom of this page you'll find MySQL community GPL downloads. Click on it. Here click on MySQL installer for Windows and download the first file. Click on no thanks, just start my download. After completion of download, open the file, choose custom setup type and click on next. Now select products or features to be installed. Select the latest MySQL server and drag it towards right using the right green arrow, and do the same for Workbench and Shell. Then click on next, click on execute. Install Microsoft Visual C++ Studio from here. Click on next. Under installation section, click on execute and click on next. Under product configuration, click on next. Under type and configuration, click on next. Authentication method, click on next. Under account and roles, enter password, repeat password and then click on next. Windows service, click on next. Apply configuration, click on execute, then click on finish. Product configuration, click on next. Finally click on finish. Now you have successfully installed MySQL software on your Windows PC. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.